The third cause is lack of fluid intake. What that means is dehydration. And we can do a simple hydration test. And the visual hydration test that we can do is a urine. So, number one thing is we may be less frequently urinating it. And when we go, and the color of the urine will be, if you are not drinking enough water, will be dark yellow, or even severely dehydrated, it could be brown. The ideal color should be slightly light yellow or crystal white. And if you're drinking too much water, obviously frequency of urination would be higher and the color of the urine would be very, very crystal white. So that's how we can know we are dehydrated or not. Another factor we can clearly know is when we look at our Bristol stool chart, we may have more difficult dry stool. What happens is when the stool has to pass through from our digestive tract, in lack of insufficient water, our intestines will draw water from the stool and it will make it more dry and it will be difficult to pass through it. Even the gut motility will be impaired. So simple test is hydration test, and urine is a great example. And you can find other symptoms as well. For example, your lips can turn dry. Another symptom is you can start getting pimples on your face. I know that because I had dry lips and the pimples on the face, and that gets particularly severe during the winter because I live in Boston and the winters are quite dry inside the house. So the simple thing is to use humidifier so that there is hydration, there is moisture around going on in the environment. Another thing is to deliberately start increasing the water, and you can check whether your water intake is impacting or not, usually using visual inspection of the stool, following the Bristol stool chart. And here is how uh, hydration test can inform you that whether dehydration is the cause of constipation.